In 2024, the brink of a transportation revolution promises to reshape our world. Picture this: hyperloops whizzing at lightning-fast speeds through vacuum tubes, electric aircraft dancing in the urban skies, and ships devoid of human intervention navigating the vast oceans. Each of these marvels of technology, seemingly drawn from the pages of a science fiction novel, is set to redefine our concept of mobility. As we stand on this precipice of innovation and transformation, it's clear the future of transport is on the horizon. Hyperloops, envisioned as the fifth mode of transport, propose to connect cities like never before. Imagine whizzing from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes, a feat that would make our current modes of transport seem like horse-drawn carriages in comparison. This technology employs a system of capsules or pods propelled through nearly airless tubes. The pods float on a cushion of air, eliminating friction and allowing them to reach jaw-dropping speeds that surpass those of commercial airliners. Potential routes for these high-speed systems are already being explored, with some spanning hundreds or even thousands of miles. But it's not just about speed. Hyperloops promise to reduce travel time, increase connectivity, and have a significantly lower environmental impact than traditional transport methods. Current developments in the field are exciting, with several companies racing to make this sci-fi concept a reality. With capsules floating in low-pressure tubes at speeds exceeding commercial airliners, hyperloops are set to redefine our travel experiences. Electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft promise to redefine urban mobility. Akin to a scene from a sci-fi movie, eVTOLs are a revolutionary technology that combines the convenience of ground vehicles with the speed of aviation. These impressive machines take off and land vertically, just like a helicopter, but without the noise and pollution. Imagine a world where your daily commute involves soaring over traffic jams or zipping across a city in minutes. That's the future eVTOLs aim to create. Several pilot projects are already underway, testing the technology and its potential applications. From air taxis to cargo delivery, the use cases for eVTOLs are as diverse as they are exciting. However, the integration of eVTOLs into our urban landscapes is not without its challenges. They require new infrastructure, regulatory frameworks, and safety measures. But despite these hurdles, the promise they hold is undeniable. Offering an escape from traffic congestion with a greener footprint, eVTOLs are set to take urban mobility to new heights. On the maritime front, autonomous shipping stands to revolutionize logistics. Imagine a future where our global waterways are dominated by ships guided by advanced AI, sailing the oceans without a crew on board. These autonomous vessels are not just a concept, they are becoming a reality, equipped with cutting-edge navigation systems that use sensors, radar and satellites to ensure safe and efficient journeys. However, this brave new world of shipping is not without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles loom large, as international maritime laws have to adjust to these unmanned vessels. Safety concerns are also paramount, as the technology must prove itself capable of handling unpredictable oceanic conditions. Yet, the potential impact on international trade is staggering. By reducing human error, increasing shipping efficiency, and minimizing environmental impact through optimized routes, autonomous shipping could significantly streamline global logistics. Enhancing safety, efficiency, and sustainability, autonomous shipping is set to navigate us into a new era of global logistics. Despite the promise, these innovations face challenges from regulatory frameworks, safety protocols, and the monumental task of earning public trust. Navigating through these roadblocks will be a Herculean task. It's not just about making the technology work, it's about ensuring it works safely and harmoniously within our existing infrastructures. The journey may be complex and filled with obstacles, but the end goal is transformative. But as we hurdle these challenges, we can look forward to a future where hyperloops, eVTOLs, and autonomous ships revolutionize our global mobility, economy, and environment.